Do you know what's really in the food you're buying? Unfortunately, many foods are packed with toxic ingredients that can harm your health. In this video, we're going to show you the 12 worst offenders, the dirty dozen of toxic foods that you should avoid. Let's start with our first culprit. French fries. These deep-fried potato slices are loaded with unhealthy fats, calories, and sodium. Eating French fries regularly has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, obesity, and other health problems. Next on our list is soda. This sugary drink is high in calories and contains no nutrients. Regular consumption of soda has been linked to weight gain, diabetes, and other health issues. Our number 3 is processed meats. These include hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats, which are loaded with preservatives, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Regular consumption of processed meats has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, cancer, and other health problems. Number 4, potato chips. These salty snacks are high in unhealthy fats, calories, and sodium. Regular consumption of potato chips has been linked to weight gain, high blood pressure, and other health issues. Fifth on the list is margarine. This butter substitute is high in trans fats, which can raise your bad cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. Sneaky number 6 is artificial sweeteners. These sugar substitutes are found in many diet foods and drinks, but they have been linked to a variety of health issues, including weight gain, digestive problems, and cancer. Our number 7 is instant noodles. These quick and easy meals are high in sodium and unhealthy fats. Regular consumption of instant noodles has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. Number 8, processed peanut butter. This popular spread is often packed with added sugar and unhealthy fats. Look for natural peanut butter with no added ingredients for a healthier option. Next on the list is canned soup. Many canned soups are high in sodium and preservatives. Look for low-sodium options or make your own soup at home for a healthier option. Making position on our list at number 10 is breakfast cereal. Many breakfast cereals are high in added sugar and refined carbohydrates. Look for whole grain options with no added sugar for a healthier option. Sweet number 11 is candy. This sugary treat is high in calories and contains no nutrients. Regular consumption of candy has been linked to weight gain, tooth decay, and other health issues. Last on the list is vegetable oils. Many vegetable oils, such as soybean, corn, and canola oil, are high in unhealthy fats and have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease and other health problems. Look for healthier options like olive oil or avocado oil. Now that you know the dirty dozen of toxic foods, it's time to start making healthier choices for your diet. Choose whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. When you're shopping, look for fresh, whole foods that are minimally processed and free of added ingredients. And remember, a healthy diet is just one part of a healthy lifestyle. Be sure to stay active, get enough sleep, and manage your stress to support your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content.